Hello. It was recently requested by another YouTuber to show how to remove the spring bars of the new Seiko SRP777 Turtle reissue. It's quite simple with the drilled lugs. All you need is the proper tools to do it. So there are the drilled lugs. Currently have this on a isoframe dive strap. So I'll just make this short and sweet. Basically what I use for this removal is a simple spring bar tool. It has a spring bar fork on one end and just a straight needle point on the other end. Okay. So all you do to do this, just take the needle end, stick it in the hole and push until it kind of pops and it comes right outside the back. Pretty simple, right? On the other side, you can see the drilled lugs, needle point into the hole, just push, you might hear a click, and it just comes right out. Pretty simple. Reinstalling the strap is about the same. Pretty easy to do. And just push one side, put it in the hole, push the spring bar down until it gets inside of the lug. Should snap right into place. Same for the other side. After putting this on, I noticed I put it on backwards. So we'll just do a simple removal, push, it pops right out, push, pops right out. No damage done underneath the lugs due to the drilled lug bars. Pretty easy. So again, to put it back on, long side goes on the bottom if you're a right-handed person like myself. Snaps right into place. On the other side, just push it down, get it inside the lug, snaps right in. There you go. Hope this was useful, helpful, enjoyable. Have a great day.